In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI. Whether you want to enhance your data-driven decision-making or streamline your business analytics, this integration is a game changer. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, start by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. Once you arrive, locate the login button, usually in the upper right corner. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. This will take you to your HubSpot dashboard, the central hub for managing all your CRM activities. Next, look for the marketplace icon, typically found along the top navigation bar. This gives you access to all the integrations and apps that HubSpot supports, allowing you to expand your CRM's functionality. Click on the marketplace icon and then select the apps section. You'll be directed to a page listing a variety of applications you can integrate with HubSpot. Our goal here is to connect HubSpot to Power BI. Use the search bar at the top of the apps section and type in Microsoft Power BI. This will filter the results and bring up the specific integration we're interested in. Once you see it, click on the Power BI integration option. This will take you to a dedicated page with details about the integration. Take a moment to review what this integration can do. When you're ready, locate the Install App button, usually displayed prominently. Click it to begin the setup process and connect HubSpot with Power BI. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've set up your HubSpot account to send data directly to Microsoft Power BI, enabling dynamic reporting and deeper insights into your business metrics. Remember, you can always revisit the marketplace in HubSpot to manage or tweak your integrations. Explore further and make the most out of this powerful connection. Thanks for watching. That's how you can easily make integrations. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe for more easy tutorials related to HubSpot, and happy analyzing.